Imagine this. You're standing in the heart of Florence, Italy, the golden light of sunset washing over the Duomo, the air rich with the scent of fresh pasta and espresso. This is the trip you've dreamed of for years. But then, panic sets in. Did you forget something? Did you pack the right things? For women over 60, travel isn't just about the destination. It's about enjoying every moment without unnecessary stress. That's why I sat down my travel agent to uncover the must-have essentials for savvy, stylish, and stress-free adventures. First things first, your passport. It seems obvious, but this little booklet is your golden ticket, and getting one last minute is no small feat. If there's even a whisper of travel in your future, start the process now. Summer trips require extra patience. Government offices move slower when everyone else is dreaming of beaches and bistros. Then there's travel insurance, a safety net many overlook until it's too late. Picture this. You're sipping wine in a charming Roman cafe when you slip on a cobblestone. Without proper coverage, that sprained ankle could cost thousands. Medicare won't save you overseas, so investing in travel health insurance is non-negotiable. And if civil unrest or a family emergency cancels your trip, cancel for any reason policies are worth every penny. Now let's talk comfort. A mini first aid kit is a game changer. Blisters and paper cuts don't care about your sightseeing plans. And for prescription medications, ask your doctor for individual paper prescriptions. Losing your pills abroad is stressful enough without the added nightmare of pharmacies refusing to refill a scribbled list. Security is next. Pickpockets adore distracted tourists, so outsmart them with hidden pouches. My travel agent swears by a waist belt under her clothes, while I love a sleek wristlet with a secret zipper. There are even t-shirts with stealthy pockets for beach days. Your contact list is your lifeline. Store numbers for your hotel, local emergency services, and your bank in case of fraud in one accessible place. And don't forget your country's embassy. Registering your trip with them can be a lifesaver in unpredictable regions. Tech-savvy travelers take note. A universal plug adapter keeps your devices alive, while a pocket-sized power bank rescues you from the dreaded low battery panic. Finally, prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. Broken-in walking shoes are non-negotiable. No one enjoys limping past the Louvre. Tuck moleskin or blister bandages into your bag, and never underestimate a lightweight rain jacket or travel-sized sunscreen. Oh, and my personal addition, lipstick. Because even on the go, a dash of color makes every adventure feel polished. Traveling after 60 isn't about limitations, it's about liberation. With these essentials, you're not just packing a suitcase, you're packing confidence. So go ahead. Wander those cobblestone streets, savor that gelato, and let the world surprise you. After all, the best journeys begin with a single step, preferably in very comfortable shoes.